Hey everybody, we're about to do a good old cold start here on this '01 Ford ZX2. It's got some issues. I'm kind of leaning towards a vacuum leak. Get some ideas here from other people. Here we go. Haven't fired it up in a while. Shoots up about 3 grand. I don't understand that idle. Then it drops. Then it'll stumble. Seems to me like a vacuum leak. This is a fresh engine, maybe, I don't know, 46,000 miles, something like that was on it. It responds well. Just not understanding, like the idle doesn't even seem to jump, but if you can see here, I know it's a mess in here. I can't really tell, it's vibrating, but it is. Like it's missing. I'm kind of leaning towards a vacuum leak. Y'all just tell me what y'all think. This is one of the upcoming cars to be worked on and get all the kinks worked out on. Great little project car. We'll do a step out here in a minute. Of course it is raining, like I said. But we'll do a step out here in a minute and I'll walk around it. But just any ideas with this, guys, would help. Like I said, it's just doing kind of like a bouncing idle right now. But I was about right there, and then when I take it down the road, it'll catch itself if you gear down, but if you just drop it out of, like, say 4th, 5th gear and just kind of use the brakes, slow down, it'll just die. So I'm leaning towards a vacuum leak. Very strong gas smell as well, but overall holds itself up well. Just has that miss, like a solid miss. But we're going to step out here and do a walk around. I said, it's raining. You can hear it though. It's a solid mist. You can even hear it coming from the back here. Excuse the big dent there, guys. But look. Just, it's strong of fuel. Very strong of fuel. Just tell me what you think. Trying to get it figured out here, get it back on the road. Any ideas will be helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already, and keep an eye on the channel for updates. Thank you.